Welcome to this Odoo website builder playlist. In this series, we are going to build and customize an entire website step by step using Odoo's drag and drop editor. Each video in this playlist focuses on one group of blocks at a time, explaining what each block does, how to customize it, and when to use it in a real business website. In this video, we'll focus on carousel blocks and slide customization, including backgrounds, shapes, colors, transitions, autoplay behavior, and visibility settings. By the end, you'll clearly understand how to design professional hero sections and dynamic sliders in Odoo. Let's get started. Start by creating a new page. At the top right of the screen, click New, and Odoo will open a blank page for you to design. Once you are in edit mode on an Odoo website, everything becomes completely visual. To edit anything on the page, the first rule is simple. Click the block you want to change. When you click on a block, Odoo highlights it with a blue border, and all the editing options for that block immediately appear on the right-hand side panel. This right-hand panel is context-aware, which means it automatically changes depending on what you click. If you click a text block, you'll see text options. If you click an image, you'll see image options. And if you click a carousel, you'll see carousel-specific settings. In this example, we're working with a carousel block, which is commonly used for hero sections, banners, and storytelling at the top of a page. Once you are in edit mode on an Odoo website, editing is completely visual. To edit anything on the page, the first rule is simple. Click the block you want to change. When you click on a block, Odoo highlights it with a blue border, and all the editing options for that block immediately appear on the right-hand side panel. This panel is context-aware, meaning it always changes depending on what you click. Here, we're working with a carousel block, which is commonly used for hero sections, banners, and storytelling at the top of a page. After clicking the carousel, the right panel opens with carousel level settings. These control how the entire carousel behaves, not just one slide. At the top, you'll find background settings for the carousel container. This includes image format and optimization. Odoo automatically optimizes images, but you can still control quality and format to balance performance and clarity. Next is the slide section. This is where you add and manage slides. Clicking Add Slide creates a new slide inside the carousel. Each slide is independent, meaning every slide can have its own layout, background image, text, colors, and visibility rules. Below that, we have style settings. Style controls how users interact with the carousel. For example, indicators can appear as bars instead of dots, or outside the image instead of on top of it. Bars are often better for professional websites because they are more visible. Arrows control whether left and right navigation arrows appear. Arrows are helpful on desktop but can be distracting on mobile, so this is a design choice. Invert colors automatically switches text and control colors when using darker backgrounds. This saves time when working with mixed images. Transition controls how slides move. Slide creates horizontal motion, while fade creates a smoother visual change. Fade is ideal when you want a clean, elegant look. Autoplay defines when the carousel starts moving, always means it starts automatically. After first hover means slides only move once the user interacts. This is excellent for accessibility and user control. Speed controls how long each slide stays visible. Text-heavy slides should stay longer so visitors can read comfortably. Height controls how much vertical space the carousel occupies. Auto adapts to content. 50% or 100% forces the carousel to behave like a hero section. Full height is commonly used on landing pages. Visibility determines whether the carousel is always visible or conditionally shown. By default, there is no condition, so everyone sees it. Now let's move into individual slide settings. Each slide appears in the slide list, where you can reorder slides to control storytelling flow. This is extremely useful when refining a homepage narrative. Layout controls how content inside the slide is structured. Column layouts are best when you want text and buttons aligned neatly. Grid layouts are useful for more complex compositions. Inside the slide background settings, you can replace the background image. Setting the image position to cover ensures the image fills the entire slide without distortion. You can also drag the background image directly on the screen to fine-tune its position. Odoo shows this visually, making it easy to align focal points. Filters and color overlays help improve text readability. Subtle dark overlays work well when text sits on top of bright images. Odoo also supports gradients. Gradients are useful when you want smoother color transitions or branded overlays instead of solid colors. Background shapes allow you to add visual separation between sections. You'll find basic, linear, and creative shapes such as waves and curves. These shapes modernize the layout and guide the user's eye. Each shape's color can be customized using the color picker, allowing you to match your brand palette exactly. Inside the slide, text is edited directly. Click the headline, type your text, and style it visually. Buttons work the same way. Buttons can link to internal pages, external URLs, or actions like contact forms. Each slide can also be made clickable, turning the entire slide into a call to action. This is powerful, but should be used intentionally. Visibility rules can be applied at the slide level as well. You can show specific slides only to users from certain countries, campaigns, or traffic sources. This allows the same carousel to display different messages to different audiences. As you move through each slide, the process stays consistent. Layout, background, colors, text, behavior, and visibility. Once all slides are configured, you review the overall carousel one last time. Check transitions, speed, height, and readability. When everything looks right, you save the page and the carousel is instantly live. This completes the carousel block configuration.
You've now seen how to fully customize carousel blocks in Odoo, from basic layout and images to advanced styling, transitions, autoplay behavior, and visibility rules. This video is part of the katylinks.com Odoo training playlist, where we break down the Odoo website builder block by block, step by step. In the next videos, we'll continue reviewing all other website blocks in detail, including content blocks, layout blocks, and inner content elements such as buttons, images, videos, forms, charts, accordions, and more. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow the playlist so you don't miss the upcoming lessons. We'll continue building and explaining every block clearly and practically so you can confidently design complete, professional websites using Odoo with training from katylinks.com.